Meet the MS2 runner PlanetSolar, the world's largest solar-powered catamaran that has sailed around the globe. This majestic seacraft was built by Swiss company PlanetSolar, designed by naval architect Craig Loomis from New Zealand, and financed by a German entrepreneur Imo Stroher. This spectacular solar beauty represents the awesome potential of renewable energy, with its immense spread of solar panels that stretch over 5,000 square feet across its roof and can generate 127 horsepower or 93.5 kilowatts. The extraordinary vessel can spread its sea legs to a maximum speed of 14 knots, however it conserves energy by maintaining a speed of about 4 to 5 knots. It can accommodate 40 passengers and crew, but for its first journey the catamaran housed a crew of only 6 people. This futuristic vessel is entirely designed and equipped with the latest technology. Its length with flaps is 35 meters, and its width is 16 meters, and with flaps 26 meters, and its height above the waterline is 6.5 meters. Its massive solar panels have a total surface area of 536.65 square meters. While sailing across the ocean, the MS2 runner PlanetSolar's filtering net can collect up to 8 tons of marine pollution. The MS2 runner PlanetSolar, which was constructed in Kiel, Germany in 2008, officially launched in 2010. Since then, the solar-powered seacraft sailed around the world with an impressive itinerary, which included Europe, the Galapagos, South America, Asia, Abu Dhabi, and the oceanic waters in and around the equator. After its round-the-world voyage, the MS2 runner PlanetSolar soon returned to the seas. On a mission to highlight the potential of renewable energies, MS2 runner PlanetSolar embarked on a Mediterranean tour in 2012, which was followed by the Deepwater campaign in 2013 to gather data on the Gulf Stream ocean currents. In 2014, the vessel was a part of the scientific Terra Submersa expedition led by the University of Geneva. This assignment explored prehistoric landscapes engulfed by the waters in the Bay of Kyllada in Greece. Now referred to as Race for Water with the foundation of the same name, MS2 runner PlanetSolar is an ambassador for solar energy, energy efficiency and cleaner oceans. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.